Hello Vicky Bhai, this is another construction area. This house is almost built. Just kind of giving you the idea how your house is going to look like once you purchase this. This is your neighborhood, and this is going to look similar to this. And this is your main entrance, formal dining, living area. तो इसमें वो हाई सीलिंग नहीं है, हाई सीलिंग है पर वो व्यू नहीं है, आप जैसा नहीं है इसमें. But this is a floor plan of this one. It does have a high ceiling. Okay. And this is the kitchen style it's going to look like. And that's the stairs going upstairs. Utility area, half bath. Okay. This is how many bed?
4.
4 bed. Okay.
Did you go on the master?
Oh, master. No, I didn't go on master yet. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the master. Higher ceiling master. Pretty spacey area.
Yeah.
How much a lot?
Space-wise?
Yeah, the lot.
It's 45 by 115.
45, okay. And the construction area almost 2,400?
This is 2647
okay.
Because this is the 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath.
Oh, okay.
I have one 4-bedroom under construction and one 3-bedroom under construction.
Walk-in closet. Pretty spacey. Put your clothes and stuff, closet area.
This is nice one.
And all the houses are gonna have a similar type of material that we use in restroom and the kitchen. Okay, except for the size. Okay. So let's go upstairs. ये भी खूबसूरत है, but थोड़ा different है, पर ये कि अच्छा है, you know. ये भी बुरा नहीं है. ये going upstairs.
What kind of incentive will you have?
Well, basically it's
This
discount. We're already, anything we have we're going to mark down. It's one of those make me an offer, I'll take it to management.
Oh, okay.
You know, if we don't have anything, I'm very familiar with all the competing builders around here. I can point you in kind of the right direction to kind of help you out.
Yes.
Okay. Well, whatever area they want, we already got it covered. Which one is going to be their range? So I'm gonna be taking them around.
Sure.
So we kind of got that taken care of.
1, 2, and this is 3rd, right?
The restroom. Okay.
And this is, what direction is this? South?